Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. As you guys can tell, we're here at Trader Joe's, and this is one of my all-time favorite spots. It's almost like a one-stop shop for me because I can pick up my flowers, my plants, a few groceries. They even have things like facial products and lotions and creams. So I love all that type of stuff. But today I'm going to stay focused. I'm actually going to be picking up some groceries today. There's a few things that Trader Joe's is known for, and I wanted to try some of these things that I read online that were super good. So I'm going to stock up today, and I'm also going to be cleaning up the refrigerator. So if you guys are interested to see what I pick up today, and if you want to stick around while I clean this fridge out, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so now that all my shopping is done, it's time to get on home so that I can clean out this refrigerator, organize all the items that I got, and go ahead and put together my flowers. One thing I love about Trader Joe's is their flowers. They're always so fresh and so beautiful, so I'm excited about that. So let me pack up this car and get on home. I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, so I made it home, and the first thing I like to do once I come from grocery shopping is to unload all of my groceries. So once I get everything unloaded, I normally will go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. But since we're cleaning the refrigerator out today, I'm going to go ahead and do that first. But I just kind of wanted to share with you guys some of the goodies that I picked up from Trader Joe's. I got some hold the cones. I read about those online. People say they're great for little kids because they're smaller. Of course, their grapes are amazing. I got some organic lollipops for the kids, some string cheese, and I'm really excited to try this. This is an all flavor meat, so I'm gonna make some burgers with that, some mango chunks, raspberries to make my smoothies with, and they're kind of like Pringles, but they're saddle potato chips. They're super good. Some cheese bites, and of course, bananas and corn and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put what needs to be frozen away and get to cleaning this refrigerator. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's not the worst thing in the world, but there's definitely a lot of food that needs to be taken out and things that need to be thrown away, and the refrigerator itself definitely needs a good wipe down. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw away everything that's expired and needs to be thrown away and organize what's left. So let's get to cleaning, guys. So now that I finally got everything cleared out of that center area, as you can see, it really needs to be wiped down. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of my favorite cleaners by Method. This is the anti-bac one. I love this cleaner because it's so multi-purpose, and when I'm cleaning in the refrigerator, it's important that I use something that's a little bit more natural, so that way you're not using a bunch of harsh chemicals in your refrigerator where you're gonna lay your food later. Now that it's all wiped down and everything is clean on the inside, I can go ahead and start throwing away any old expired food that I no longer want. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that process started. I think it's very important that we clean out our refrigerators from time to time. In the day-to-day routine, sometimes we forget, we throw things in there and then we never get back to them. So it's important that we clean our refrigerators out so that way we don't have any old, rotting, moldy food mixed with our food that we eat on a day-to-day basis. Now that I've thrown away all the old and expired foods, I can go ahead and put everything back, organize things, and finish cleaning up the refrigerator. Oh, what an amazing feeling once everything is cleaned out and everything is organized. It just feels good. You know where everything is at, and you know that nothing in your refrigerator is expired. So that is a wonderful, wonderful feeling, guys. Everything organized. There's a place for everything and everything has its place. So now we can get to the fun part, which is putting together the flowers. One thing about me is I always like to have fresh flowers in my house. I don't know, it's something about the fresh flowers that just does it for me. So one thing I love about Trader Joe's is that they always have these beautiful array of gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. So I like to pick a few here and there and make my own little arrangement. So today I got some hydrangeas, some lilies, and some baby's breath. And I'm no florist, but I must say I think I did a really good job putting these together. I'm gonna toot my own horn a little bit on this one. Aren't they just so beautiful? I love them. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys. I know I showed you a little bit earlier in the video, but I realized that I didn't show you guys everything that I had gotten from Trader Joe's, and I just would not be doing it justice if I didn't share a few things with you guys. I got a few great snacks for the kids, like these Gone Berry Crazy. They're like frozen chocolate strawberries. My daughter, she loves strawberries. I got these potato chips. Like I said, they are like Pringles and they're so very, very good. I got these corn dogs. My daughter loves hot dogs, so they're turkey dogs. So Those are so good. I got these mini cheese sandwich crackers. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love these for myself. I got these vegetables Samoas, I think. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I even got these golden berries. These are really different. They're actually so good. It's like a cross between a berry and like a tomato. I don't know. I don't even know, but they're so good. They're very tart, so keep that in mind. I got these cheese tortellinis. The kids absolutely love these. I boil them up. They're so quick. Add some spaghetti sauce and I'm good to go. I got these cat's cookies, chocolatey cat cookies. My daughter loves these. They are so yummy. I packed them for her and my son for snack, and they're just so good. Got some raspberries, some mango chunks. These are the frozen ones. This is what I use to make my smoothies in the mornings. And I also got, like I said, the hold the cone. I like these because they're tiny. So they're good for my daughter and my son to eat without making a huge mess. And one of my absolutely favorite things, see, these are the hold the cones. They're so, so yummy. And one of my favorite things is this pepper jelly. Oh my goodness. I've had a lot of pepper jellies in my life. And this pepper jelly right here from Trader Joe's is Chez Magnifique. You will not be disappointed if you are a pepper jelly fan. Trust me when I say you will not be disappointed. Look at the chunks in that. Oh, it's so good, guys. I'm telling you. Go check it out. If you're in Trader Joe's or if you have a Trader Joe's in your area, grab you some of this pepper jelly. Again, you will not be disappointed. Another thing that I wanted to try was this Italian sausageless sausage. It looks pretty good. I heard great reviews about it online. I thought maybe I would pair it maybe with this tortellini here with a little bit of sauce and see how that goes. So we'll try that, see how it goes. I also got this artichoke and jalapeno dip. If you know me, you know I love jalapenos and I love artichokes. So add those two things together and how can that go wrong? I also went ahead and grabbed some of this Impossible burger meat. It is obviously a plant-based burger meat. I don't eat red meat, but I heard really great things about that, so I'm excited to try that. And last but not least, I got this cute little tote from Trader Joe's. I do love their bags. And when I can remember, I try to bring them when I go grocery shopping, you know, just help out the environment a little bit. I try to do my part. So yeah, guys, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today on my Trader Joe run, as well as cleaning out the refrigerator. It's always fun. And until next time, guys, be safe and thank you so much for joining me. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.